Hey y'all, it's me, Ms. Mercedes, aka your kid's favorite teacher. We got some issues going on in St. Paul Public Schools. So Hazel Park, they have asbestos. So if anyone knows about asbestos, Google it. It's a very dangerous chemical fume that is spreading inside the building. It can cause lung cancer. Hazel Park is one of the SPPS schools that is predominantly kids of color, also educators of color. I just think it's wrong that they have to be in a building that is spreading toxic chemicals where it can cause harm to their health. I know people personally that work there and kids that go to that school, and they've been sick a lot this year. So now that I'm finding this information, I think that has a piece to do with it. Not only that, but Freedom School starts there in about 2 weeks, which is a predominantly black program. And we're not going to send our black kids and black educators to this building that needs repairs and is not safe health-wise. So I need y'all to write the superintendent, get these kids and educators into a safe building, change the Freedom School at Hazel Park site to somewhere else that is safe for our educators, especially educators of color. Change is coming, and it's time that SPPS starts doing what's right when it comes to black youth and black educators.